Speaking of branding agencies, I think they play a crucial role in aligning the values or beliefs of a company with the identity. Like each human, brands too have their own identity, and what the branding agencies do is basically bring out that identity. Every person you meet has their own persona, which leaves you with a gut feeling about them. Same goes for the branding. We have seen this happen more in the B2C space, but coming to the B2B space, it is still getting there. And how can a B2B agency help them? So when we talk of the services that a branding agency provides, there are basically 4 key aspects on this. First, we look at the brand strategy. It explains on how the agencies develop a comprehensive strategy to define the brand value, the mission, the vision, so that the brand stands out for its key belief system. It also helps in positioning of the brand by understanding the challenges, the market competitions, and other factors which are affecting the business. Now that helps in finding out the key attributes that help the brand stand out from its competitors. The next thing is the logo and visual identity. Understanding the importance of designing logos and visual elements that reflect brand personality, which appeal to the target demographics, is important. Next is the marketing collateral. So overview of the various collateral produced includes the business cards, the letterheads, calendars, digital assets like your LinkedIn or YouTube page or your Instagram, Facebook look and communication. And this is done by establishing the verbal identity of the brand. The last, which is very crucial to present times, is digital branding. That is the strategies which are established for creating a digital footprint of the brand through the website design, the social media branding, and online advertisements. Now this includes events, posts, videos, other forms of communication which need to be aligned. Now to understand how all that pans out, businesses need to understand that it is based on pure data and research. Initial consultation where agencies gather information about client goals, the target audience, the competitive landscape. The next comes the research and analysis. Now this is very important for conducting market research and competitor analysis to inform brand strategy. The next area would be the concept development. This includes steps in creating the initial designing concepts, the brand narratives, and it all starts with figuring out the verbal identity first. The last, iterative processes of gathering client feedback and making necessary revisions to refine brand elements is something that happens across all branding agencies. To help clients, most agencies provide them with case studies or examples of successful branding campaigns executed by notable agencies. For example, highlighting the key strategies, the challenges faced, the outcomes achieved for the respective clients. Some of our projects are Zimcart, Good Food Movement, Simply Contract, among others. This becomes very important when we are trying to understand branding from the current trend, understanding storytelling through brand narratives, and integrating the idea of sustainability and social responsibility. These are key things we don't just look into in the present situation of the company, but we also look at the vision for 5 years down the line, because a company will not come to any branding agency for a rebranding every 2 years, right? One thing that people should notice is that rebranding can create a significant impact on the business success, including increase in the brand recognition, customer loyalty, increase in the sales, the revenue, with a competitive advantage in the marketplace. So, what are you thinking? Looking for a rebranding for your business?